What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to Omni Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, Omni Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. Omni Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's powerful and career-focused workshop on how to pass Zend PHP certification exam in your very first attempt. Whether you are a beginner in PHP, a student planning to enter the web development industry, a freelancer, or an experienced developer who wants to validate skills internationally, this workshop is designed for you. Today's session is not just about theory. This is a roadmap session. We will cover what Zend PHP certification really is, why companies value PHP developers, how the exam works, important PHP concepts for certification, real examples, common mistakes students make, smart preparation strategies, mock questions and tricks, time management for exam success, career opportunities after certification, and most importantly, how you can pass the exam in your very first attempt. This workshop is designed in a very practical and engaging way, so keep your notebook ready, stay active in the chat section, and try to think like a real developer throughout the workshop. By the end of this session, you will have a complete strategy to prepare yourself confidently for Zend PHP certification. So let's begin our journey into the world of PHP and professional web development. Before jumping into exam preparation, let's first understand why PHP is still one of the most powerful programming languages in the world. PHP powers millions of websites globally. Many famous platforms are built using PHP, including WordPress, Facebook's earlier back-end systems, Magento, Laravel applications, e-commerce websites, CMS platforms. PHP is especially popular because it is easy to learn, beginner-friendly, server-side scripting language, works with databases easily, excellent for dynamic websites, huge demand in freelancing and jobs. Now let's understand Zend. Zend is one of the most recognized names in the PHP ecosystem. Zend technologies and certifications are known globally among PHP developers. The Zend PHP certification validates that you understand core PHP syntax, OOP concepts, arrays and functions, sessions and cookies, security concepts, file handling, error handling, database interactions, web development fundamentals. This certification can help you improve your resume, increase interview confidence, get freelance projects, apply for back-end developer roles, stand out among other developers. Many students fail because they study randomly, but in today's workshop, we will learn a structured approach. Let's quickly look at today's roadmap. In this workshop, we will cover understanding Zend PHP certification, PHP basics, variables and data types, operators and conditions, loops and arrays, functions, object-oriented programming, forms handling, sessions and cookies, file handling, database connectivity, error handling, security best practices, APIs and JSON, mock questions, exam preparation strategy, career opportunities, final tips and motivation, exclusive discount, and Omni Academy opportunities. By the end, you will have a strong beginner to basic level understanding along with certification guidance. Now let's discuss the certification itself. The Zend PHP certification exam tests practical understanding of PHP concepts. The exam usually focuses on PHP syntax, functions, arrays, object-oriented programming, web concepts, security, file systems, error handling, database operations, strings, and patterns. The most important thing to understand is this is not a memorization exam only. It checks logical understanding. Many questions are scenario-based. For example, what will be the output of this PHP code? Or, which method is more secure? Or, which loop will execute correctly? So your preparation should focus on understanding code, practicing syntax, solving MCQs, building mini projects, learning debugging. One important tip: do not ignore basics. Most students rush toward frameworks like Laravel without understanding pure PHP. Zend certification checks your core PHP concepts. That's why understanding fundamentals is extremely important. Before learning PHP, we need a development environment. To run PHP locally, students usually install XAMPP, WAMP, MAMP, Laragon. These packages include Apache Server, PHP Interpreter, MySQL database. Example: Step 1. Install XAMPP. Step 2. Start Apache. Step 3. Create a PHP file. Step 4. Save inside htdocs folder. Step 5. Open localhost in browser. Example code. This is the first PHP program. Explain to students. PHP starts with $?PHP. Echo prints output. Browser executes server-side code. This small example builds confidence for beginners. Variables are containers for storing data. In PHP, variables start with $. Example: $name equals Ali. $age equals 22. $isStudent equals true. Explain: string, integer, boolean, float, array, object. Practical example: $name equals Sarah. $city equals Karachi. Echo $name, echo $city. Explain variable naming rules. Cannot start with number, no spaces, case sensitive. Very important exam point. PHP is loosely typed, meaning $x equals 10, $x equals hello. PHP allows changing data types dynamically. Students should understand type juggling because certification questions often test this concept. Operators help perform calculations and comparisons. Types of operators: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, increment, decrement. Examples: $A equals 10, $B equals 5, echo $A plus $B, echo $A minus $B. Comparison example: $A equals $B, $A equals $B. Explain difference carefully. Equals checks value. Equals checks value and data type. Certification exams love this question. Example: 5 equals quote 5 equals true. 5 equals quote 5 equals false. Logical operators: and, or, not. Use real-life example. If username and password are correct, login successful. Conditional statements allow decision-making. Main conditions: if, else, else if, switch. Example: $marks equals 80. If $marks is greater than or equal to 50, echo pass. Else, echo fail. Explain real-world use: login systems, grades, payment verification, role management. Switch example: $day equals Monday. Switch $day, case Monday, echo start work, break. Students should know when to use switch instead of multiple if conditions. Loops reduce repetitive work. Types: for loop, while loop, do-while loop, for each. For loop example: si equals 1, semicolon, si less than equal to 5, semicolon, si plus plus. Explain each part: initialization, condition, increment. For each example: S columns equals bracket red, comma, blue, comma, green, bracket. Explain each part. Important certification concept. For each is commonly used for arrays. Practical use cases: product lists, student records, database results, dashboard reports. Arrays store multiple values. Types: indexed arrays, associative arrays, multidimensional arrays. Indexed example: fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Associative example: user equals name is Ali, age is 25. Multidimensional example: students equals Ali, 20, Sarah, 22. Important array functions: count, array push, sort, explode, implode. Certification exams frequently ask array-related MCQs. Students should practice arrays daily. Functions make code reusable. Example: function greet equals echo welcome, greet. Function with parameters equals function add bracket $a, $b equals return $a plus $b. Explain: parameters, arguments, return values, scope. Very important topic: variable scope, local, global, static. Certification questions often test scope confusion. Explain with practical examples. Object-oriented programming in PHP. OOP is one of the most important topics for Zend PHP certification. Core concepts: class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction. Basic example: class car, public $color, function drive, echo driving. XAML new car, XAML color equals black. Explain: class is blueprint, object is real instance. Inheritance example: class animal, function sound, echo animal sound. Class dog extends animal. Very important concepts: constructors, access modifiers, interfaces, traits, static methods. OOP questions carry high weightage in certification exams. Forms are used to collect user data. Example HTML form: PHP handling $username equals $_post _username, echo username. Explain get versus post carefully. Certification tip: post is more secure for sensitive data. Discuss form validation, required fields, sanitization, and user input security. Sessions and cookies are important web concepts. Cookies store small data in browser. Sessions store data on server. Cookie example, set cookie, user equals Ali, time plus 3600. Session example, session start, $_session, user equals Ali. Real-world examples, login systems, shopping carts, user preferences, authentication. Certification questions often compare sessions and cookies. PHP can read and write files. Important functions: open, read, write, close. Example: $file equals fopen data.txt, w. fwrite $file, hello. fclose $file. Discuss file permissions and security. Database connectivity is extremely important. PHP commonly uses MySQL. Connection example, $con equals mysqli_connect of localhost, root, empty, test. Explain. Database table, rows, columns. SQL query example. Select asterisk from users. Explain CRUD operations. Create, read, update, delete. Very important. Prepared statements help prevent SQL injection. Certification exams focus heavily on security. Error handling helps debug applications. Types: syntax errors, runtime errors, logical errors. Example: try, code, catch, exception $e, echo $e get message. Explain debugging mindset. Good developers are problem solvers. Security is critical. Common vulnerabilities: SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, file upload vulnerabilities. Prevention: input validation, prepared statements, HTML specialized characters, password hashing. Example: variable password equals password hash, parentheses, 123456, comma, password underscore default, close parentheses, semicolon. Discuss why plain text passwords are dangerous. Security-related questions are common in certification exams. Modern applications use APIs. JSON is widely used for data exchange. Example: data equals name. Modern applications use APIs. JSON is widely used for data exchange. Example: data equals name equals Ali. Echo JSON encode data. Explain. REST APIs, JSON format, API requests, API responses. Practical examples: weather apps, payment gateways, mobile applications. Now let's solve some practice-style questions. Question 1. What will be output? $x equals 5, semicolon. $y equals 5 in quotes, semicolon. var dump $x equals $y, semicolon. Answer: false, because data types differ. Question 2. Which function prevents SQL injection? Correct answer: prepared statements. Question 3. Which superglobal handles form data? Answer: _post or _get. Question 4. What is inheritance? Answer: a child class acquiring properties and methods of parent class. Explain exam strategy. Read questions carefully. Look for tricky syntax. Watch semicolons. Understand output logic, Eliminate wrong answers. Now, let's discuss the most important part. How can you pass in first attempt? Step 1. Learn core PHP thoroughly. Do not skip fundamentals. Step 2. Practice daily. Code every day. Step 3. Build mini projects. Examples: login system, to-do app, blog website, student management system. Step 4. Solve MCQs. Practice output-based questions. Step 5. Read official documentation. PHP documentation is extremely valuable. Step 6. Understand OOP properly. This topic is heavily tested. Step 7. Learn security basics. Security concepts can improve your score. Step 8. Time management. Do not spend too much time on one question. Step 9. Mock exams. Simulate real exam environment. Step 10. Stay confident. Confidence matters. After learning PHP and clearing certification, many opportunities open. Career roles include PHP developer, backend developer, Laravel developer, WordPress developer, API developer, full stack developer, freelancing opportunities. Students can also build websites, start agencies, create SaaS products, develop CMS systems, and work remotely internationally. PHP remains highly valuable in web development. Congratulations, everyone! Today we covered PHP fundamentals, arrays, loops, functions, OOP, security, databases, APIs, exam strategy, career roadmap. You now have a clear roadmap to prepare for Zend PHP certification. Remember, the certification is not only about passing an exam, it's about becoming a confident developer. Keep learning, keep building, keep practicing. Your future in web development can start from today. Before we officially end this workshop, we have some exciting opportunities for all participants. Exclusive workshop participant offer. All workshop attendees will receive 20% discount offer on selected training programs. This special discount is valid for only 7 days after this workshop. So if you are planning to learn PHP professionally, prepare for certifications, start web development career, build freelancing skills, become full-stack developer, this is the best time to start. At Omni Academy, students get professional instructor guidance, practical project-based learning, career-focused training, hands-on development practice, industry-oriented skills. Explore PHP and web development programs. Omni Academy PHP Web Programming course. You can also explore Omni Jobs and Internships portal. This platform helps students and professionals discover latest jobs, internships, IT opportunities, remote positions, fresh graduate openings. Visit Omni Jobs portal. And don't forget to subscribe to the Omni Jobs WhatsApp channel to receive latest jobs updates, internship opportunities, IT career alerts, training announcements, and career guidance sessions. This is highly recommended for students who want to stay updated with the market. Also follow Omni Academy for upcoming workshops, technical boot camps, certification preparation sessions, career counseling, and freelancing guidance. Thank you everyone for attending. We hope to see you in our upcoming training sessions. Stay motivated, keep coding, and start building your future today.